Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, August 26, 2014. It's now 2:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were up again today. The S&P closed up. A new all-time high was tagged, but futures failed to close above 2,000. We remain in the long-term uptrend channel. Price confirmed above resistance at 1992, so 2043 is the next resistance level. Support is at 1900 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ also closed up, but it didn't hit another new near-time high. Price remains in our medium-term uptrend channel. The next target is the 223% Fibonacci extension level at 41.48. Support is at 37.37. The US dollar closed up. Price confirmed above old resistance at 21.96, and our new resistance point is 22.34. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, August 26th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's 3 strong currencies and 3 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Euro Aussie Dollar, the Euro Canadian Dollar, the Euro US Dollar, the Aussie Yen, the CAD Yen, and the US Dollar Yen. The New Zealand dollar pairs aren't shown. Here's our trade summary chart for August. For open trades, the Euro US Dollar trade remains open and we're short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746 and our stop loss remains at 1.3243. No new orders were placed today. Let's look at some price charts. The first one we'll look at is our open order on the Euro US Dollar. We're short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746 and our stop loss is at 1.3243. Let's now look at the price charts for our 5 qualified pairs. The first is the Euro Aussie Dollar. Price has been in a long-term downtrend channel and recently broke through the bottom of the Donchian Channels. This would be a bearish trade. Here's the Euro Canadian Dollar. Price had been in a long-term downtrend channel and has just pulled back into that downtrend channel. This would be a bearish trade. Our third qualified pair is the Aussie Dollar Yen. This had been in a sideways channel. Recently it's broken to the top. It would be a bullish trade. The fourth pair is the Canadian Dollar Yen. This has been in a sideways channel and we would be looking at a bullish trade. The last pair is the US Dollar Yen. We had been in a long-term downtrend channel, but the last couple of months we've been moving sideways. Price is broken to the top and we would be looking now at a bullish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening for Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request the free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the 2 indexes. 3. Background on the Adx Indicator. 4. determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US Dollar Index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the Adx indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The Adx indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.